potato, beef, broccoli, and then may soup tayo, mais with carrots, and then meron tayong dessert na ice cream. So yan, maliit lang siya. So ayan. So I think ito yung last lunch natin for today. Kasi guys, tomorrow ay palabas na tayo ng hospital. So thank you naman. Kahit na papano na-feel ko kunting recovers. Of course, more medicine pa rin. And then, yeah. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan. Yung ating lunch for today. So, yan. May sauce sila. So, yung beef, sobrang lambot siya. So, syempre, broccoli, very healthy. Yan.